Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk how you can convert this boring sales Excel sheet into interactive dashboard. And if you are thinking that Sandeep, I'm not technical, don't worry. I'm going to teach you in a very simple and easy steps using AI, and you will realize that yes, there is no need to be technical to create these kind of dashboards. So friends, this complete process we will do in a 3 steps. First step, we will prepare a complete plan using ChatGPT according to your data, which kind of KPIs, data set, charts and fields are required. In second step, we will prepare data set according to each and every KPI in Excel sheet. In third step, we will prepare the complete dashboard. So now in first segment, we are going to prepare the complete plan, and for that we will take help of ChatGPT. So let me first prepare the month value column. So let me add a formula text A2 comma triple M, and now we will autofill same formula to every row, and now we have data for month column. So the next step is we will upload same file in ChatGPT. So let me save, and here we'll upload the file. So I will select the file, upload, and we will use this prompt, give instruction to ChatGPT that you need to analyze the data, and based on that you will prepare the top 8 KPIs based on your data. And that's why I told you that the complete dashboard you will design, that is based on your data, not the based on the video or based on the demo you are watching. So let's see, ChatGPT will prepare everything based on our data. And see, we have our first chart and all those charts, and now the good thing is we have all those titles, chart type and the columns as well. That is what we can use. So that is for all those 8 KPIs. So now my friend, we have the complete plan how we are going to design our dashboard. So in next section we'll see that how we will prepare data for all those KPIs. So now it's time to prepare the data source for each and every KPI, and for that I will convert this table in pivot table. Insert pivot table, select the range and OK. Now here you can see we have columns, and for first chart we need month and amount. So let's go back and select month and amount. So now our first data source is ready. So now I will prepare second data source. So I will copy and paste here. Go back to ChatGPT screen, and here we need to take bar chart and category and number of units. So I will select category, number of units, remove, and now our second data source is ready. For third, I will again check it like the product and amount. So I will copy paste, data source here and select product and amount. So third one is ready. For fourth one, again the same thing, we'll go back here and see sales representative and amount. So I will copy and paste and select a column and amount. So now fourth one is ready. For fifth one, the same thing, same process we need to follow for each and every data source. Copy, paste. So now we have our all 8 data sources ready, which we will use for our dashboard. So in next segment, we will see that how you can prepare a beautiful dashboard using these data sources. So now let's start with dashboard. Our first chart is total revenue by month. I will go to the first data source, insert, bar chart. I will select the chart, right click, hide all fields button on chart, and then I will just uncheck grid lines and legend, and then we will change the title, and now we will change the color. So I will select this color, and if you want to match with ChatGPT, you can see you can also match the color. So now it's the same color we have. We'll copy and go to the another sheet. I already prepared a sheet, so I will paste here. Again, we will go back to the data source sheet, and here we again need bar chart. I will copy title, select this one, insert, bar chart, right click on buttons, hide, and then the same thing, grid lines and legend, uncheck, and we'll update the title, go to color and change the color, the one you want, cut, and go to the dashboard sheet, paste here. So the next step, again go back to the data source sheet, the third one, bar chart, copy the title, go back to the sheet, insert, bar chart, and remove the buttons, grid lines and legend, and then update title, yes, color, and change the color, and then cut and paste in dashboard sheet. So for the last one, same thing. let's go back, and here we have pie chart. So I will just copy this and insert. We'll select the pie chart and hide the button and then update the title. In this case you can remove legend, but it is quite good to have, so I will just keep it. And now I will change color, so let's keep the same color, cut and paste here. Let me paste. So now you can see our dashboard is ready. If you want, that I want to change type of chart, in that case you can select the chart, go to the insert and select the appropriate one, the one you want. So now you can see I am changing here. So this is how you can change later on if you want to change any chart type. So friends, in today's video you saw that how, even though you are non-technical person, how easily you can create dashboard in Excel sheet with help of ChatGPT and AI. For this kind of information, please like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, bye. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out.